Today, I'm going to be doing some exercises that are going to help you improve your breathing, help you decrease your snoring. So this is something for somebody who has some sleep apnea, or maybe you're even just finding yourself kind of gasping or coughing in the middle of the night. These might help you out. And as always, talk to your doctor if you're having any pain or mobility limitations. And today, when I'm doing these exercises, I'm just gonna be sitting in a nice upright chair. I don't have any arms on it, but you can always use what's best for you. Now with these exercises, you can do them 2 times a day. It's gonna be most beneficial, but I know a lot of people that do them 1 time a day and they still see some results. So try and sit up nice and tall for me while we do this. The first one, these are gonna seem kind of silly, is just sticking your tongue out as far as you can, and we're gonna hold it for 5 seconds and repeat it 3 times. Three. All right. The next one that we're gonna do is you're trying to push your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and we're gonna hold it for 5 seconds, repeat it 3 times. So try and push it up there as far as you can. There's 1. 2. There's 3. Okay. Now the next one, I'm gonna push my tongue into the side of my mouth, and I'm gonna give myself some outside resistance with my hand. So, and it's a 5-second hold. We're gonna go to the other side. There's 1. There's your 3rd one. Okay, this one sounds kind of silly and sometimes it can be a little challenging to do, but I want you to think it's like we're shoving our tongue back down our throat. We're dropping it down our throat. And we're gonna hold that for 5 seconds, and we're gonna repeat that 3 times. Ready, and go. All right. And then the next one that we're gonna do is we're gonna push our tongue towards the front of our teeth and try and swallow at the same time. It's a little challenging. As you keep repeating it, it's gonna get easier. I'm struggling with that one. And then we're going to just mouth the vowels. So, and even there, I'm still struggling with that. Try those out, and over time, you should start to see a difference.